Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create account on WhatsApp Business, right? So first of all, you have to just go to your Play Store or App Store and download WhatsApp Business, right? So here in the search bar, as you can see here, just right here, WhatsApp Business, and here you will get this a lot of options. So this is official one, so we have to click on install. Now click on I agree, right? And once you click on agree, it will just load for a few seconds here. Automatically it will start downloading your WhatsApp Business. Then just open your WhatsApp Business, click on agree and continue. Now here it will ask your number, so just go and click on use this number, or you can use a different number. Now here you have to select your country here. Once you select your country, enter the phone number and click on the next. Once you click on the next, you will get a OTP. It will start connecting to your number. As you can see here, is this correct number? Click on yes, and once you click on yes, you will get an OTP. You have to enter that code here and automatically your account is made. So this is how you can create your WhatsApp Business account. I hope you found this information really useful. If you did, subscribe.